Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2017 Toyota RAV4. So from any screen, if you go to, you've got car there, nav and setup. If you click on nav, if it doesn't come up on that screen for any reason, if it comes up on the map, just click nav again, and you've got homework 112, whatever that is, enter address and so on, points of interest. So we click on enter address, postcode. Right, we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR5. We need a space, so space 4JS. Then we have to just click, even though we just typed it in, we've got to click to say yes, and then click to say calculate route. I'm calculating your fastest route, route options, and you've got go down here. So you have to tell it several times the same thing, but it'll get you there. If you see there's a speaker with a red cross there, so that's off. So we'll just knock it back on, and it'll give you verbal instructions as well.